The Oraimo Watch 3 Lite is the latest smartwatch from Oraimo Technologies. It seems to have been created to be the lower price version of the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. However, we can't conclude until we review the Oraimo Watch 3 Lite. This smartwatch comes with some amazing features. It's mentioned on the box that it has advanced power saving technology, which means it can last up to 7 days. It features health monitoring, sport mode, and IP68 waterproof rating. The device comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 and also supports the latest Oraimo Health app. Before I show you what's inside the box, let's talk about the price. The Watch 3 Lite is sold for around 19,900 naira on Oraimo official website. You can use my discount code GEEKDELINO to get a 10% discount when you place an order. It's also important to scan the QR code at the back of the box to ensure the product is genuine. There are so many fake Oraimo products out there, which is why I recommend you buying from the website. Now, let's talk about what you can find inside the box. First, you will find the Oraimo Watch 3 Lite itself, a USB guide, and a USB Type-C cable. These are basic items included in every Oraimo smartwatch packaging. If you have watched the video to this point, now would be a good time for you to go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel if you wish to see more reviews from me. Now, let's talk about the design of the Watch 3 Lite. The Watch 3 Lite has a similar design to other Oraimo watches, but with some little differences. The strap is made of silicone and feels light, providing more comfort. As for the screen size, it looks smaller than the Watch 3 Pro. It has a 2.5D curved surface, which gives it a premium look. It has just one multifunctional button on the right and a plastic build body. It looks slimmer than the Watch 3 Pro. The bezels at the bottom is large and I feel it should have been the same size with the one above. The user interface is beautiful with colorful design and the graphics looks modern. I love the simple and straightforward charging design given to the watch. As mentioned earlier, it comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 connection, which allows the smartwatch to have a maximum range of 10 meters, faster speed, Bluetooth low energy, and more. You can connect the Watch 3 Lite using Bluetooth, and to customize how you use the watch, you need to install the Oraimo Health app. The app gives you access to over 150 watch faces, which is pretty decent for me. The device comes with 24 hours heart rate monitor by default and 120 plus sports mode, which means it covers all the basic activities. The watch can only display 24 sports modes at a time and also has the option to view activities performed in the last 7 days right on the watch. While using sports mode, you can play music while pressing the play button in the music section when you swipe left. As for the call mode on the Watch 3 Lite, you can't respond to calls directly from the watch. However, you can answer or reject calls without reaching your phone in your pocket, but only if you have AirPod connected. When it comes to battery life, the Watch 3 Lite comes with 200 mAh battery capacity, which is slightly above the Watch 3 Pro's 250 battery capacity. The watch lasted between 4 to 8 days on low to average usage, but if you want it to last even longer, you can turn on the power saving mode. Charging the watch takes time. It takes about 2 hours to get full, which is really long for me. The smartwatch has IP68 water and dust rating, which means you can use it while sweating and also washing your hands. Overall, I feel this is a budget friendly smartwatch below 20,000 naira at the time of recording the video. You shouldn't expect more than what you get from the Watch 3 Lite since it's affordable. Share your thoughts about the Watch 3 Lite in the comment section. Is it worth recommending to your friends? And if you enjoyed the video, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. Bye for now.